So Dr. Dennis Gross generously sent me their very popular Alpha Beta Peel Pads. Now this is a two-step system that I will be doing with you guys today. Now I did read the instructions, so we are going to start off with the first step. And I did apply a barrier cream around my eyes and around my lip area just to protect that area, and we are going to go in. Now Dr. Dennis Gross is cruelty-free, which I love. Now this product in particular is not fragrance-free, but that's not an issue for me personally because I will only be using this once, maybe twice a week max. I already feel it tingling just a little bit, nothing painful, nothing uncomfortable. I can just feel that it's working, because it is pretty normal for chemical exfoliants to tingle a little bit, but that's going to depend on your skin and what is normal and abnormal for you. So I just finished applying this. It's supposed to set for about 2 minutes, and then we are going to go in with the second step. Okay, so now I am going to be going in with step 2, which is just another pad, which I find is a really easy system to just go in with both of these pads. Now I do want to mention that they do have 2 other strengths of these pads. This is their regular pad, but they do have one that is geared towards being a little bit stronger, and then they have one that is geared towards slightly more sensitive skin. I do want to point out that I am dealing with some slight breakouts and a little bit of texture. This is my exfoliating night, so it'll be really nice to kind of start loosening some of that dead skin up and helping with some of that roughness that I am starting to experience. And these are an AHA peel, meaning alpha hydroxy acid, so they are going to be really good at helping with skin texture, hyperpigmentation, all of that good stuff. Okay, so you are supposed to just leave this treatment on overnight, so I am just going to finish off with a barrier repairing cream. I like to use something with ceramides all the time, but especially on my exfoliating nights, I just like to keep it nice and simple. So I will come back in the morning once I've done my morning routine and show you the results. Okay, so here is my skin the morning after using the Dr. Dennis Gross peeling pads. So I have done my morning skincare routine. I focused on hydration and barrier repair as always. And of course, I applied a sunscreen. Sunscreen is super important regardless of whether you're exfoliating, but it is especially important if you are exfoliating. My skin feels very smooth and it feels very nice. It doesn't feel stripped, it doesn't feel irritated, it just feels like the perfect balance. I definitely think that this strength of peel pad is perfect for me, and for me personally, I think I'll be using this about once a week to maintain nice glowing skin. I would definitely recommend these guys. I'm really thankful that they sent these to me because my skin definitely needed a little bit of exfoliation, a little bit of love. So thank you so much, Dr. Dennis Gross, and I would definitely say that these are a solid 10 out of 10 in my book.